To me personally, this is the best part of the CheroHala Skyway. And it looks like it rained last night up here. This is still wet. Wet and debris in the roads. Still enjoyable, just not as safe as I typically like it. When it's dry and clean, it makes these decreasing radius turns much fun. Motorcycle gang. But if you're watching these videos and you're liking the area, you appreciate the content that I'm putting out, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I can't promise you're going to get motorcycle videos all the time. You might get dumb stuff like me baking cookies. But if you like to bake cookies, hey, I got some killer cookie recipes. And if you're going to be out in the greater metropolitan western North Carolina area, I'm willing to ride with you. As long as you're not on a Harley Davidson, nobody in your group is on a Harley Davidson, I'm more than willing to ride with you. And I say that because, and you know what I'm talking about, it's rare to find a Harley Davidson owner with any kind of skills. BMW owners, they can ride. Oh, that is a washout. I probably should have downshifted for that pass, but I'd like to have me a street legal side-by-side. If I weren't poor, that would be one of those toys that would be in my garage. My luck, my wife would drive it to work every day and I'd never get to see it. nice up here. I've already seen 80-something degrees in Telescope Plains. We're at 77 right now, and it is a comfortable 77. Sorry, 72. We're at 72 right now. This is the Sunday before July 4th. And it doesn't feel like that many people have come to the mountains early. Next week might be a little bit more painful. How would you like to bust around that turn and have a Monroe County deputy sitting there? No bueno. In fact, it's been month end, and law enforcement anywhere doesn't seem to be getting their quota. So they must have made a lot of ticket sales first part of June. We rode all day yesterday, and we only saw one deputy. He was on 360 ball play, and he was the deputy. He rides a dual sport bike. But these pull-offs like this, I've heard telltale signs that Monroe County deputies have been parked in these pull-offs waiting for you. They listen. They listen for your exhaust coming down the road. It's not hard up here. We're at the top of the mountain, and there's not a lot of trees to quiet down the noise of loud exhaust. But I haven't heard of any law enforcement on the North Carolina side of the CheroHala Skyway. In less than a mile, we are going to be sitting in North Carolina.